So you have sort of a simplified version that you want to implement in an AI system.
Yeah, so the idea is that we want to connect these many different modules. So you might have a module for language, one for vision, movement, to this workspace at the center. And let's take an example where we would give a task to the system, which is walk through the jungle. And because of this task, well, first you're going to connect the movement module, and you're going to start walking because that's the task. But maybe you also want to keep your eyes open because you're walking in the jungle. And so you connect the vision module to your system. That's the job of the attention system. And well, you were lucky to connect a vision module because you see a tiger appearing right now, right? And that information about the tiger, because the vision module was connected, gets inside the workspace. And once it is in the workspace, it gets broadcast to the movement module, which now thinks, maybe it would be a good idea to escape. Instead of walking through the jungle, you might be walking through a zoo. At the beginning, you might decide also to connect the movement because you want to walk. You also want to keep your eyes open because you're in a zoo. But in that situation, the same input, the same tiger, when it gets into the workspace, might produce a very different reaction. Now you know you're safe, you don't have to escape. And so instead, you might connect the language module to your global workspace and say, oh, look at the pretty tiger, right? And that's an explanation for how we could build AI systems that would be flexible, that would not always produce the same output given the same input.